82 2/3 innings. That's 4 more than he had thrown the previous 2 seasons. So
this ball's well hit to left center. Trout going back. He's not going to get this one. This one is gone. A home run for Mark Teixeira, and the Yankees take a 1-0 lead. So Teixeira with his 19th home run of the year. And Flash, I guess this is the only way to keep Mike Trout from catching it.
Yeah, you got to hit it to a spot where he has no chance to camp underneath it. Fastball middle down and had that good sound, good extension. 19 home runs already for Mark Teixeira. What a rebound year for him.